Advantech intelligent embedded computers are designed to give developers fast, convenient, and simplified solutions for embedded IoT applications. In the IoT era, factory automation has gradually become sufficiently reliable to serve as an effective part of the production process. Moreover, the automotive industry has seen the biggest users of automated robotic systems in the manufacturing sector. Large robotic arms with high payload capabilities, while smaller robots are used to weld and mount sub-assemblies like brackets. All these are typical operations in international automotive factories. The management of automated manufacturing on the production line is a complex operation. In addition to process control and information display, it also requires data acquisition, edge intelligence, and remote monitoring control functions. In this case, the compact-sized, high-performance Advantech ARC2250 intelligent embedded computer was used at each workstation of the assembly facility. The ARC2250, with appropriate power, LAN, and HDMI interfaces, was mounted onto robotic monitor arms and connected to monitoring sensors and actuators with lockable wires and cables. To enable data acquisition, data display, and remote monitoring control functions, the ARC2250 is deployed with Advantech's WisePass EdgeSense, an IoT edge intelligence and sensing integration software solution. Furthermore, the data can be uploaded to the cloud for further analysis and management. Equipped with the latest Intel processor, ARC2250 delivers high computing performance with a compact-sized mechanical design to integrate nicely with the high-speed automotive production lines. Supporting a unique ARC Plus expansion module and iDoor I/O modules, the ARC system can be easily expanded to enrich storage and industrial interfaces on an optional basis. With Advantech intelligent embedded computers, customers can rapidly implement IoT applications and maximize the resulting benefits. For more information, go to arc.advantech.com.